Hello guys, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chordia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you workout for your legs and your hips. I am going to show you 5 workouts of which you will be doing 3 sets with 30 to 45 seconds of rest in between. So let's just get started. So we will start workout with pulse squats. You will be doing 10 repetitions of this workout. So for this, you have to take a shoulder stance between your legs and then pulse for 4 times, and then you will rise up in a rest position. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4 and up. Again down 1, 2, 3, 4 and up. So while doing this, make sure your knees does not cross your legs and your back is always straight. You will feel your glutes and your quads burning. Pulsing is very good for your glutes. Come on, we are almost done. For the next workout, we are going to do walking pulse squat. So we have added more challenge to the pulse squat. We have also added a lateral walk to it. So you will be taking a step, then pulse, step and pulse. So in this you also work your side glutes by taking a lateral walk. So you will be doing about 15 to 16 repetitions. Make sure you do equal repetitions on both the legs. Come on, last few. Breathe is very important. So the next workout is turn step squats. You will be doing 12 repetitions of this. Turn and squat. Turn and squat. Make sure you turn from both the sides equally. It is very important that both the legs are involved in the workout equally, so you develop muscles of both the legs. Turn from left and then turn from right. Left, squat, right, squat. Come on. Take a 45 seconds of break between the sets. So the next workout is step jump and squat. In this we are going to do a low intensity jump and squat. Bring your legs closer while jumping as we do in step ups and then squat. You will be doing 15 repetitions of this for 3 sets and take a 45 seconds of rest. So the last workout is kick lunge. You will be doing 10 repetitions of this for both the legs. Lunge down, and while rising up, you have to kick your leg backward. Your legs will have a 90-degree angle. Do not cross your legs. So guys, I'm sure after this workout you are going to feel a lot of burn in your legs and your hips without using any equipment. So it is not necessary to have equipment. You can use your body weight. So we are almost done with the workout. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for supporting me. You can also let me know in the comment box which video you will like to see next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay happy and stay fit.